My name is Eric Ajetianan, coming from Ghana, and today I did my presentation together with Roberta Bonetti, an anthropologist. Design coffin has been the root of my family because my grandfather decided to build a coffin in the shape of an aeroplane to bury his old woman who had always dreamt of traveling with an airplane, but unfortunately she couldn't make it, but rather went with an aeroplane coffin. And this alone caught the attention of a lot of people. Since they were living along the coast, it attracted a lot of attention from the fishermen who were all the time going for him for fishes and fishing boats. My father has been working in the shop until in 2005 I decided to join him to work together in the shop. Normally, if I have to build a coffin in the shape of a Campari, it should take about 10 days. But due to the time, I've been building this since Tuesday afternoon.